Floral Rose Apple Tea Recipe. Yield, 4 cups 1 liter. Prep time, 2 minutes. Brew time, 5 minutes. Total time, 7 minutes. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons 5 grams dried red rose petals. 1 apple, cored, thinly sliced or coarsely chopped. 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters apple cider vinegar. 4 cups 1 l water. Directions: 1. Add the apple and rose petals to a pot and pour in 1 l of boiling water. 2. Allow to simmer on the stove for 5 to 10 minutes, or brew with a lid to ensure the heat doesn't escape. 3. Add the apple cider vinegar at the end. Sweeten if desired and enjoy. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.